Hey everyone, it's Christy from Chef Green 2002, and I'm coming on to make this video because I'm a child advocate. My intention is to teach special needs, and I'm working on my credential and should be teaching anytime soon now. And this teacher on Instagram called Ms. Boykin, B-O-Y-K-I-N, posted this photo of this student who is moping because of testing. And this is what she says on her caption. Testing week brings this out of kids. I removed her test and now she's asking for it. No. You didn't want it 45 minutes ago when I was staring you in the face. Keep sleeping right through your upcoming recess. Oh, and you're welcome. This is completely unnecessary. This just pisses me off. And I'm sorry to bring this kind of reaction to you guys, but I really want to get this photo out there, and I want to expose this teacher. And so if somebody can watch my video and see that this child is their daughter's jacket, you know, who's wearing a green shirt that went to school this morning, and can take this to the school district, then this teacher can, you know, get some repercussions. Of course, she won't be fired because, you know, the unions protect the teachers. That's a whole political thing that I don't want to go off on. But I mean, is this your child? Is this your child that this woman is treating like this? That, you know, they ask for the test. She's being a very mean teacher. She's taken whatever her problems are out on this child. And, you know, advertising that she's awful on Instagram. I mean, who does this? I would think that our teachers would have enough integrity that they would not even broadcast something like this. I mean, didn't you get an education? I mean, wouldn't you know that you're putting this on a social network and people can see this? I just don't get it. I don't get it, and I just want to let you all know that this is really uncalled for, and this is what makes people think that all teachers are bad, because this one bad egg who thinks she should treat her student with disrespect and not help her or give her the tools she needs to be successful in society. So I hope you guys share this video or grab the picture from my Facebook and spread it like crazy, because this teacher needs to be found out. And that is her IG name, which she has her account private now. And so you can see the poor child even has tissues in front of her because you know she's been crying because this evil teacher. So please spread the word, you guys. Let this teacher know that we're not going to stand for it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy shopping.